What's up, guys? It's Kevin, and in this video I'm going to be going over some of Facebook's new features that just rolled out, and there's going to be a bunch of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this into a video series that I'll just continue to keep updating you on. Now, the first thing I want to do is mention to you that I do apologize. I've been breaking my #1 rule when it comes to Facebook, which is not being consistent with my fan page, with my updates. So that's all going to change. I was working on a huge project, which really took a lot of my time, but I wanted to get it done quickly so I can come back and just really catch up for everything that I've left out. So what I'm going to do now, and I figured that this was the best time for me to do that since Facebook just rolled out a whole arsenal of tools that we're now going to be able to use. I've been spending the last few days watching live streams from the F8 conference, which you can get to by going to livestream.com/F8newtools, and you can actually see recorded videos of all the new features Facebook's going to be rolling out. They have better analytics. They're going to have domain insights, which we're going to be going over. Facebook credits and a whole bunch of stuff that I'm going to be going over and breaking down into basically, layman's terms. A lot of these guys, they're developers, and they're talking about, stream.api and this tag and that tag. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to break it down into simple English and say, here's what you do. Here's how you get it on your site. Here's how you do this, all right? So what's the first thing we want to talk about? The first thing I'm going to be going over with you today is the new like feature, okay? As you'll notice, there's no longer become a fan, right? Everything used to be become a fan. Well, now it's called like. And what we do is we just hit the like button. If you don't like it, then all you do is if I hit like, now I like that page, all right? Now, if I don't like it anymore, all I got to do is click it again, and now I'm no longer a liker of that page. Now, a lot of people are asking for a dislike button, right? They want a button that they can say, hey, listen, I dislike this page. Not only do I not like it, I dislike it. So that might be something they roll out. Another thing you're going to notice is that when it comes to creating a Facebook page, you can also create what's called now community pages. Now, up until now, we've only been able to create pages that we were the official representative of that brand, that product, that company. So now community pages are pages where we can create pages based on a topic, a cause. Okay, so now you can go in and you can create community pages. And I'll tell you, this is something I'm going to be testing out a lot coming up. But the reason I'm going to be testing it out is because if you scroll down, you'll notice that one of the things they're going to be doing is they're going to be linking up every keyword that you have as an interest in your regular Facebook profile. They're going to be linking that up to pages. Okay, so you're going to see, a pop-up that's going to say, link your profile to these 36 pages. And it's going to recommend pages that you could link to your profile based on the keywords that you used. What does that mean for us as marketers? Well, if you create the pages and the name of the page includes the keyword that you're going to be talking about, guess what? When somebody uses that keyword as a like or interest, now it'll automatically be suggested to everyone on Facebook that uses that keyword as an interest in their profile. So now Facebook's actually going to be doing the promotion of our fan pages. Okay, so this is huge, and this is something that we're going to be taking advantage of. Soon, this is what our Facebook profiles will look like. Okay, here you see it shows editing connections to your profile. This is what it's going to look like. Okay, it's going to show the pages that you're linked up to. Some people have a problem with this because it's going to, they want to keep, if you're a friend of Facebook hotties and you're married, you might not want your spouse to see that. But, that's something that you're going to be able to hide, okay? So this is what we're going to be talking about in this video, okay? So how do we do this? Basically, if you come over to your fan page, right, you're going to notice that there's a couple new things. Now, it no longer says you have so many fans. Now it says 1,163 people like this page. Then if you come up, it shows how many friends out of the 1,163 people, how many of those people are actually your friends on Facebook. So now when when you invite people over to your Facebook fan page, what's going to happen is they're going to see that, 50, 100 friends of theirs are also fans of that page. So that might give them, a little push to becoming a fan. All right. So that's something that is really, really cool for us, because now if you follow the techniques that I share with you on how to build up your friend base, we target specific areas on Facebook. We laser target them, and we do it for the specific reason that, if we invite all of them to become a fan of our page, well, because we got them all from the same places, chances are they're all going to be friends. So when it comes to something like this, that's going to benefit us even more now that they're telling people, hey, 50 of your friends are already a fan of this page. And we know for a fact that that's going to happen because we invite them all from the same places, okay? You follow me? And if you don't know, I'll be sharing more and more videos. I'm really going to be consistent with this fan page, and you're going to start to see exactly what I'm talking about. So just keep following this fan page. Every time you receive an email, follow it, and even better, opt into my mailing list here, and you'll get the videos before anyone else. So that's pretty much the like feature, okay? The like feature, I currently it hasn't been updated on my profile yet to where I see the fan pages like they're showing here. But one thing I'll tell you I am going to be doing is I'm going to be creating community pages, okay? Community pages, and I'm going to use the keywords that I'm targeting in the community page to see how fast I can build up a fan base just using Facebook's promotion, okay? I'm going to be running a bunch of tests, and of course, you're going to get all of the results so that you can go and take advantage of this. All right, so over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be rolling out a bunch of videos. If it gets a little bit, annoying that you're going to be getting a lot of emails from me, I apologize, but just know every single one of those emails, every single one of those updates is going to be letting you know about an awesome video with awesome content that you're going to be able to take and go apply right away. So that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one where we'll go over some more Facebook features.